Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn source transformation technique. This is a very important technique in circuit analysis. So, what is source transformation technique? So, in this technique, what we do, suppose we have voltage source V with a series resistance R. So, source transformation means this voltage source can be replaced or converted in a current source where V is equal to where I is equal to V by R with a parallel resistance R. In a circuit, I can interchange or replace this voltage source with a series resistance into equivalent current source with a parallel resistance R or vice versa. Okay, so a current source can be transformed in a voltage source and voltage source can be also converted into current source. This will greatly simplify our problem during circuit analysis. Sometimes this technique alone is sufficient to solve a circuit without use of any KVL, KCL or any network theorem. So let me solve one problem on this. So I have been given one circuit. This is 6-volt battery. I have 3 ohm resistance across this 6 ohm resistance, and parallel I have one current source of 3 ampere. Then we have this 2 ohm resistance, 1 ohm resistance, sorry, connected one series, one 4 ohm resistance. Okay, so now I want to solve this circuit using source transformation technique. So first of all, what I will do, I will convert this voltage source with along with this series resistance into current source with equivalent parallel resistance. Okay, so now how can I solve this problem? So first of all, what I will do, I will remove this voltage source and instead of this I will put one current source. So this is, so I will replace this voltage source by a current source. So current value will be I V by R. So since V was 6 and R value is 3, okay, so this become 2 ampere current source. Okay, so this become my 2 ampere current source. Okay, and this resistance of 3 ohm will come to parallel. Okay, now again I can see here 2 ohm resistance also given. So again you see these two resistors are again in parallel. Okay, and equivalent of 3 and 6. Okay, equivalent of 3 6 will give me 18 upon 9 2 ohm. Okay, so I can replace again these two resistances by equivalent resistance of 2 ohm. So I can remove now these two resistance and this will become now 2 ohm resistance. Okay, again I want to bring this resistance also in picture. So what I'll do, again I will convert this current source into a voltage source. So if I replace this current source with a voltage source, so V equal to IR, so 2 into 2, so this current source will become again 4 volt voltage source. Okay, and this resistance 2 ohm will go into series. So this 2 ohm resistance will come to series. Okay. Now again this 2 and 2 become 4, and this 4 ohm resistance is in series with this 4 volt source. Okay. So again I can convert this source into again a current source. So now this will become 4. So 4 by 4, 1 ampere current source. Okay. So now this will simplify to 1 ampere current source, and parallel to which I have this 4 ohm resistance. Okay. Now here we can see I have 2 current sources connected, okay, into parallel. So I can add these 2 current sources together. So 1 plus 3, it will become 4. So now this become 4 ampere source. Okay. Now I can see now this 4 ampere current will go to these 2 circuits. Okay. So I1 current will come here and I2 current will go here. Okay. So my aim is to find the current in this 4 ohm resistors. Okay. So find voltage across this 4 ohm resistance. So this I want to solve. Okay. So now what I can do, I can apply current division formula. Okay. So according to current division formula, what will be the I2? Okay. So I2 will be my, because these 2 resistors are in parallel. Okay. So I will take the resistance of this resistance which is across to this parallel to these 2 resistance. So this will be 4, sum of all the resistance, this 4, 1 plus 5, 9, and my current value is, total current value is 4 ampere. Okay. So this become my 16 upon 9. Now I want voltage across this 4 ohm resistance. So voltage across 4 ohm resistance will be current into resistance. Okay. So this current is 16 by 9 and the resistance is 4 ohm. So this will give me 64 upon 9. If I solve this one, it will give me 611 volt. Okay. So in this manner, using this source transformation technique, we can simplify circuit and calculate the current and voltage values. Thank you.